Welcome back to RotoCityTech. Today we're out in the shop again because we are going to build a medicine cabinet for the bathroom in our camper. It's going to be super simple, it's going to be super awesome, so let's get started.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero.
Alright, so I found some pieces of wood that I think might work. I have this little square that I'm going to use as the door, and then these little pieces of wood I'm going to cut to make the sides of it, and then I can make one little shelf so we can store taller items and then short items probably at the top. What I'm going to do is extend the side down and put a copper pipe going across to act as like a little hanging rod for a little towel or something. So I'm just going to measure about 3 inches further than I think my door is going to be, so we can mark our holes.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your
So what I did right there was just drilled holes in the extended part and then cut some copper pipe that was a little bit wider than the inside diameter or the inside measure here. And now this can just spin freely. You can put a rag, or we can hang some hooks with some little baskets or something. Alright, after many minutes of bending the hinges, because I guess I got the wrong ones. I've never made a cabinet door, so I don't understand them, I guess. But I was able to modify the hinges and get them to at least work.
Wait, we have to put the mirror on it.
They're not the most beautiful thing, but I'll just show y'all. So, go ahead and open it. At least it opens, and I installed a little clasp here that I had left over. That kind of springs open sometimes. So anyways, now we're going to put on some mirror on the front so we can look at ourselves. Okay, so we bought some of this mirror sticky paper, I don't know what it's called, on Amazon. You just peel and stick on this. It'll work good enough for when we're camping, I suppose.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.
Alright, so we want to install this in our bathroom. We have this little stud finder, and I'm just going to find where the stud starts and stops. So there's the beginning, basically right on the edge of this seam. And then right, oh, we really don't even need to mark it. There's a seam here, and that's how wide our stud is. So then we take our cabinet here, and we're going to place it right there. I'm going to mark those holes. We're going to actually get the level and level this, and we'll screw this into the wall. Alright, so we got one screw in. Had to use Kelsey's help to do it. We'll just get this level, and we'll screw in this other one. So, there is a nice little messing cabinet with a little towel hanger. So, there you go. Hopefully, boy, that didn't go exactly as planned for everything. And we had to rig a couple of these. And the only thing I think we're going to do is add some type of clasp, external clasp here. So when we're going down the road, it doesn't bump and pop open, and then all of our stuff fall out. This is not holding quite like it should. But that's it. So, please like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech. As always, thank you all for watching.